Welcome to episode 5 of our Roofing Components playlist, where we do a deep dive into all the major components of your roof system. Today we're going to be going over starter shingles, so let's get into it. What are starter shingles? Starter shingles are actually the first row of roofing material that we put down on the eaves of the roof before the rest of the roof is installed. They really don't have a color to them, and their main purpose is to make sure that the shingles stick to them, and the shingles have adhesive on them as well, so the adhesive on the starter shingle and the adhesive on the shingle itself gives you a double seal on the rakes and the eaves, just to make sure that your shingles don't blow off. Now, if you install the manufacturer's starter shingles with their regular roofing shingle on the rakes and the eaves, it increases the wind rating on them from 110 miles an hour to 130 miles an hour, which is about a Category 3 hurricane. How much do starter shingles cost? The going rate today for labor and materials to install starter shingles on the rakes and the eaves is just right under $2 per linear foot. Now you know what you need to know about starter shingles. To continue your roofing education, click on the link below or at the end of this video to watch episode 6 about attic ventilation. I'm Bill Ragan with Bill Ragan Roofing Company. Thanks for watching the Roofing Channel. Remember to like and subscribe so other homeowners like you can get an education before they make that large purchasing decision. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.